25, 26.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't be going this fast if I were driving.
Probably not in a ridgeline, but in a Bronco you would.
Yeah.
You would feel, like
More comfortable.
And more comfortable, and you would be much more capability at your hands.
Wow. Rough through this thing.
Not too bad. Usually I find somebody coming around this corner.
Are they coming the other way too?
Oh yeah. You'll see we've got more tracks going off on the sides as we try to pass each other slowly. And when we get up here, what we're going to do is I'm going to try to highlight the stabilizer bar disconnect.
Okay.
I'll show you the front blockers. We're not going to do the rock garden.
Too slippery. They get too slippery on here. Oh,
And here's our first customer. Another one coming too. Go up here high on the left.
That's the rock garden, right?
Yeah, I mean,
It's probably pretty slick, yeah.
it's slick.
Is it giving it a whirl?
So all they're going to do is go about halfway in and back right out, and we pounded those things down.
Did you guys dump those in there for this thing?
Yes, we did.
That's the trail turn assist.
It is.
Point.
Unfortunately, we don't have that on this truck.
Yeah, we haven't.
We also, this is where the front camera would be a great help.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do,
You gotta have the mid package for that? Is that it?
mid with that larger screen.